last നമ്മുടെ ഏത് വീഡിയോ ആയിരുന്നു travel video? No, it was Nia's biryani, right?
Yeah, I think that was the last one.
Ask Kudu.
So first step of precaution.
The valley is locked.
Yeah, we came up to here, but it is locked.
Hello viewers.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to Travel and Fun.
Yes, and after a long time,
Long time.
long ago, we used to travel. Like now I feel like I'm speaking like a nomad. Okay, like I'm speaking from ages behind.
Like last നമ്മുടെ ഏത് വീഡിയോ ആയിരുന്നു travel video? No, it was Nia's biryani, right?
Yeah, I think that was the last one. I think that
അത്
was.
കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഞാൻ പുറത്തേക്കേ പോയിട്ടില്ല and after like 3.5-4 months I'm getting ready. I'm so excited.
Yes, and today, like since it is weekend, we planned like let's go to not a very crowded place
Yeah.
and not a very famous place.
Because
but
we feel like we are very low. We ourselves
Yeah.
feel so low. And ദീപുവിന് ഈ വർക്ക് ഫ്രം ഹോം അത് വീട്ടിലിരുന്നിട്ടുള്ള അതിന്റെ സ്ട്രെസ്സും പിന്നെ വർക്ക് ഫ്രം ഹോം ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് 8 hours ജോബ്, ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് 24/7. ചിലപ്പോൾ 4 മണി 5 മണി വരെയൊക്കെ രാവിലെ ഇരുന്ന് പണി ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടാവും. സോ ഹി ഓൾസോ wanted to go out and that's the reason we are going out. And ഞങ്ങൾ പുറത്ത് പോകുമ്പോൾ we are using all the things like masks, sanitizers,
yeah,
എല്ലാം
we have
എടുത്തിട്ട്
everything, masks and
അതെ.
sanitizer and എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്.
sanitizers,
So we are going.
sanitizer spray,
Yeah.
എല്ലാ
So
സംഭവങ്ങളും
we
കൊണ്ടാ
are going
പോണത്.
with uttermost precautions.
And we are not going to get down at any crowded location. ഞങ്ങൾ just to drive to Goa. We thought of showing you how beautiful Goa is during the monsoon.
We are starting from here, and after a long time, I am also very excited. Driving for long after a long
Even
time.
our Centro is so excited.
Yeah, our car is so excited. So it's all cleaned up and we are ready. So it's about around 32 kilometers from here. So I think it should take around 1 hour for me. So we'll go slow, not too fast and all. We have to climb the hill and all. So we'll go slow and steady, and we will surely show you the way now, because this video is all about the scenic route through and the place over there. So you guys will be able to watch us driving right through to Chandreshwar
So
Bhutnath temple.
stay tuned. Ask Kudu.
So our first step of precaution. So normally if you are inside a car, like you are just two people in the house and you are going, normally there's no need of mask actually.
But
Since
we are
but since this is a normal practice now these days, so that's why we are using this mask. But for
And
sure if you are going to,
if you didn't wear your mask,
yeah,
you'll
yeah,
be fined 100 rupees.
yeah.
100 per person.
Yeah, in Goa it is so, but I don't know about the other places. But yes. So, guys, let's go. Ganpati Bappa.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so let's leave.
So guys, this is the entrance to Chandreshwar Bhutnath
Temple.
Sansthan. The valley is locked.
Yeah, we came up to here, but it is locked. You can see it's all locked with a lock over there. I don't think they will open it.
So it's only 3.6 kilometers more.
Shit,
And it's
man.
locked. And this was not expected. So guys,
change of plan.
Change of plan, like this Chandreshwar temple was closed and the way itself was closed.
Yeah.
So we have changed our plan. ഇവിടെ അടുത്തൊരു lake ഉണ്ട്. എന്താ lake?
It's called Sarsora Lake.
Sarsora Lake. So
it's only 3 kilometers from here. So we thought we'll go there and maybe
Let's see.
let's see if that is open. But I think this is closed because it's a temple and public places like worship places are closed now as per government guidelines.
yeah, but two-wheelers are going.
Yeah, two-wheelers are crossing that gate from the side and they are going inside. But unfortunately ours is a four-wheeler. We cannot go through. But yeah, maybe sometime later we come again and. But it's a good route up here.
Yeah.
Until the temple, I
Actually,
guess.
the view will be
And the
very
view,
nice. It's
yes.
a bit top.
Yeah. So let's go to Sarsora Lake. So guys, we will be reaching Sarsora Lake in some time. Beware, the road is very narrow.
I think you'll have to stop.
So, Naka, what do you think about?
Yeah, it's good. കുറേ പേര് വരുന്നുണ്ട്, like families. അല്ലേ? People are coming here.
Yeah. It's a small walk up ahead, like
1 kilometer പോലെ അല്ലേ?
something around 1 kilometer. I don't think it's even 1 kilometer. It's less than that. Let's be like normal. We are wearing masks for
Like
health and hygiene. Yeah, there's no one here, but still we are wearing masks so that it's if someone doesn't wear mask, let them at least see that the rest people are wearing it. We should also do it. So we went to Chandreshwar, but
It was
unfortunately the road was closed there, and even there we could walk and go, but that was too long.
Yeah.
Like you have to, it's an uphill, so you have to walk a lot and you will get tired, like, and then it will be also late in the evening because it's already around 5:30 in the evening now. So we thought this Sarsora Lake, I told you about 2 kilometers, it's not so. It's around 5 kilometers from that place, even more than 5 kilometers. So from there it took me around 10 to 15 minutes, yeah? 10 to 15 minutes drive, yeah. But it's a calm place, cool place. There's no one around. You can see some people are coming behind us. Look at this view, guys. Goa is so green during monsoon. Look at this view. It's beautiful. I think this is the remnant of that lake or something. I don't know what's there down below. It's a railway track. Beautiful. Oh, nice. And I'm a rail fan.
So guys, അവിടെ closed ആണെങ്കിലും it's opened here.
Some kind of fruit. എന്ത് ഫ്രൂട്ടാണ് അത്?
പിയർ പോലെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ?
ഗ്രീൻ ആപ്പിൾ പിയർ പോലെ എന്തോ ഉണ്ട്. ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ.
അവിടെ പോയാലും കുറച്ചുകൂടെ നല്ലത് കാണാം.
ഇതിങ്ങനെ ഈ ലേക്കിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഹാഫ് സർക്കിളിൽ ചുറ്റാനുള്ള സ്ഥലം ഉണ്ടാക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ദി റെസ്റ്റ് ഹാഫ് സർക്കിൾ ഇസ് യു കനോട്ട് ഗോ ത്രൂ. സോ deep forest. Yeah, that's for animals. So here we social animals can roam around in one half. The other half for natural animals. Pretty just some rocks ഒക്കെ വരച്ചൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ചെസ് കളിക്കണം പറയുന്നുണ്ട് മഴയൊക്കെ പെയ്യുമ്പോൾ see that rock above? Looks like it will fall down there. ഒരു സലോലം ഡാമിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ ഒരു പ്രതീതി സെയിം ഇതേപോലെ അല്ല ഒരു സൈഡിലേക്ക് വൺ സൈഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ വാലി ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ ഫീൽഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് നേച്ചർ അത്ര ക്രിയേറ്റീവായിട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ ഇത്. ദിസ് ഇസ് എ നാച്ചുറൽ ഡാം. സി ആക്ച്വലി ദിസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ലേക്ക് ബട്ട് അല്ല ഞാൻ പറയാ ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ ഡാം ബിക്കോസ് ദിസ് ഇസ് അറ്റ് എ ഹൈറ്റ് യു സി ആൻഡ് അവിടെ ലോ ലൈൻ യാ വാട്ടർ ഒന്നും ഇപ്പം അത്ര ഫില്ലായിട്ടില്ല. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു നോർമലി ഫില്ലായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒക്കെ നല്ല ഹൈറ്റ് വരെ വരുമായിരിക്കും ഇത്. ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ വിൽ കം വൺസ് ലേറ്റർ ഇൻ ദി മൺസൂൺ. Oh, beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. This place is beautiful. I mean, literally beautiful. Amazing. Good choice we made that we came here. Guys, if you remember, we talked about a duckbill spillway. Now just Anaka reminded me about the same. There is something similar, very similar over there. So I think
we'll go there.
Yeah, let's see. So when the lake water fills up, it's kind of a overflow tank here. I mean, a canal type. So the water will come inside and it will flow directly to the other side. Yeah. So it's a spillway, da. It's a spillway. Okay. So that's Sarzora Lake. Beautiful. But time well spent. Yeah. What do you think?
ഒരു ചേഞ്ച്.
Yeah.
നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ ഇരുന്നതിന്
അതെ
നല്ല കാറ്റ് ഫ്രഷ്
അതെ അതെ
കുറെ ഗ്രീനറി
അതെ but fresh air through this mask. Yeah. And Anu is also very happy today. She came out after a very long time. So guys, this was Sarzora Lake. So it's a beautiful place. If you come, we will come over here once again during peak monsoon, and I'm sure this will be very beautiful. So you see these rocks and all over here. So water will be falling continuously, like small waterfalls and all. And one rock was there over there also, no? Yeah, that's a railway track here. Beautiful it would be. So we tried to go to Chandreshwar and
ended up here.
Yeah, ended up at Sarzora Lake, but very fortunate that we ended up here. So this is a beautiful spot.
And actually there is tunnel. Railway.
Yeah, that's a tunnel. This railway track is ending up in a tunnel because the way we came, you saw that there was a railway crossing.
So I hope you guys liked this video.
Yeah, we hope that you guys like this. See guys, we cannot make big travels and all now. These small things we can do, but this makes us happy. Traveling should make us happy, right? There are many other channels with our same channel name, but then at a point we even thought of changing our channel name.
Yeah.
But then we thought, why? Our channel name and our video should have that uniqueness. So that's why we didn't change our channel name. We want you all to love travel and fun, and we want you all to love us as a family. We want you all to be a part of our family. So with a positive note, we are winding up this video.
Yes.
And we will see you guys in the next video. We are very happy that we could travel at least for a little bit after this huge time. Yeah, Anaka?
Yes.
What do you have to say to our subscribers and our new family members, those who will subscribe soon after watching this video?
So watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and join our family.
Yes.
And we'll try our maximum to support this, traveling and local people, those who live on traveling, and all those things.
Yes.
And whenever you're going out during this time, take your own food, water and everything. Be safe, travel safe and enjoy.
Yes.
So we are signing off today.
Yes. So stay safe, stay happy, enjoy your life, be cool. So see you guys in the
next video.
It's bye from us.
Tito.